By defeating Nanda dynasty's torturing and arrogant ruler Dhanananda, Chandragupta established his rule with the help of Kautilya. In this way, Mauryan Empire was established. Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of the empire, extended his empire from Kabul and Kandahar in the northwest to Mysore in the south and from Bengal in the east to Saurashtra in the west. After ruling 24 years, he handed over the kingdom to his son Bindusara. During the reign of Porus, Alexander invaded India. He may defeat Porus, but due to the tricky plan of Kautilya, he could not capture North India, so he went back. India was again attacked, but this time by Alexander's general Seleucus in 305 BCE. He was defeated by Chandragupta with the help of Kautilya again, whose new name was Chanakya. Bindusara, the next ruler, captured many parts of South India. After defeating 16 rulers, he faced a revolt in Taxila, which was quelled by his second and most powerful son Asoka, who was governor there. Bindusara maintained friendly relations with the rulers of the Greece. Asoka succeeded to the throne after his father's death by killing his 99 brothers, who were also the sons of Bindusara. Asoka was very fantastic and kind-hearted person in his latter years. Asoka was able to capture the very powerful kingdom of Kalinga. The ruler of Kalinga had a powerful army comprising of infantry, cavalry and elephants. Though Asoka captured Kalinga, it had far-reaching consequences for him and his empire, but the Kalinga war made Asoka profound and very kind-hearted, helpful person. He supported Buddha and also spread his important teachings on humanity. Due to his efforts, today Buddhism exists in many maximum Asian countries. This was only the short demo. Thank you for watching.